I've got to find Gloria. It's critical. It's urgent. I've lost joy, and I have to find it. I've been running. I've been sprinting for like all day. I've got to get to her. I've got to get to her. She's way up there. I've got to find her. Oh, hi, Mr. Snail. How you doing? What's going on? Are you asleep? No, I'm not asleep, Pastor Tom. I've lost joy, and I think Gloria might have some, but I don't know where it is. Maybe she can tell me. I got to get to her though. I've been running all day, and I'm out of breath. Well, Mr. Snail, how about I carry you? Would that be okay? I mean, it's kind of a long way, and why don't I carry you? I'm a little worried. You're really breathing hard. I am, and I'm out of moisture too. I need a glass of water. But yeah, if you could carry me, that'd be great. Yeah, I've just been running. I lost joy. You remember where? I don't. I just don't have it. Wait, you're going really fast, and I'm out of breath. Whoa, whoa. Pastor Tom, what happened to Mr. Snail? I think he fainted, Gloria. Mr. Snail. Mr. Snail. Oh no, yeah, he passed out. He was running to find you, Gloria. He said he'd lost joy, and he hoped you might have some.
Mr. Snail lost joy? Well, I'll tell you, there's a lot of that going around. I think I lost joy too. You know, in the forest fire we had last week. Burned everything down, and I think it burned up my joy. Yeah, burned it up. Into ashes. Little bitty pieces of ash. That's where my joy is. Makes me kind of sad.
Oh, Mike, that's terrible about the fire. I heard about it. I'm so glad you're safe, though, and that no one got hurt. Everyone escaped, and they were safe, right?
Yeah, they were safe. It's just really sad.
Oh, yeah, it's sad. I can see how that would make you sad. Gloria, do you still have any joy? Oh, Pastor Tom. Wait a minute, I can't, your mask is over your eyes. Yeah. Let me use your nose. Maybe your nose can hold. Yeah. So, Pastor Tom, I have to say, I've lost my joy too, because I have to sing with the masks on now, and it's just not the same. I mean, my voice is the same, as awesome as it always has been, and of course, the music I make is just fabulous, but wearing a mask, it's hard. It makes it hard to breathe. Here, let me belt it out for you. Gloria in excelsis Deo! See, I have to catch my breath. It's just not the same. I know. Maybe if I try crawling out for joy, maybe that'll work. Let me try it. Joy! 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 J-J-J-O! J-A-O-Y! Joy! See, and then sometimes my mask goes in my mouth and it tastes bad. Yuck.
Bother. What's all the racket? Is someone injured? Who's screaming for joy? Yeah, that's a good one, Owen. Screaming for joy. I like that.
Owen, if you can't say anything nice, you shouldn't say anything at all. That's what my mom always said to me. You should just be silent. That was rude. I'm exturbulated about it. You're what? It makes me frustrated. Okay, Gloria. Yeah, I'm angry.
Well, you said a whole snoot full there, little lady. If you can't say anything nice, don't say anything at all. You know, it seems like these days, a lot of people, they think with their tongues and not with their brains. I mean, the other day I was talking to my good friend Clark. He's a pig farmer up the road. And I was telling him, oh, what do you think about this crazy weather we're having? And he says to me, oh, I suppose you think it's all about climate change, and then blah, 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 and I think you're a moron. And then he storms off. I mean, it's like Clark and I have been buddies for like years, decades, centuries even, I think. It's been a long time. Huh. I guess I've lost my joy too. Now, see here, just a moment, please. I meant no harm. I was perfectly content, sound asleep, when I heard this very loud, I heard this, sound, and it woke me. So, if I might, what seems to be the problem this year?
Well, Owen, the problem is we've all lost our joy and we don't know where to find it. Excuse me for interrupting, but I know what happened to Joy.
Wait a second. Chris, you know what happened to Joy? That's amazing. Leave it to a robot, huh? Go figure.
Yes, Joy is nowhere. When my random access memory became full with TikTok videos, YouTube videos, Facebook postings, and current news and events, I had to delete something. I deleted Joy to make room for these other things. Chris, wait a minute. You deleted Joy from your memory? Yes, Pastor Tom, and I regret it. I did not know how much I would miss Joy when I no longer had it. I think that is something I am learning in my programming. You don't know what you have until you no longer have it, and I miss Joy. Well, wait a minute. I think we should ask Mr. Snail, Mr. Snail, where he lost his joy. Mr. Snail, hey, wait a minute, everyone. Where's Mr. Snail? He's gone. I don't know where Mr. Snail is. Mr. Snail, Mr. Snail. Oh, I'm just exasperated.
Oh, yeah, where's that little guy? Yeah.
We must find him before he gets stepped on.
Oh, yeah, we gotta go get him. What are we gonna do? Oh, man, Pastor Tom. I tell you, first we lose our joy, and now we lose Mr. Snail. I mean, it's just one thing after another, isn't it? Oh, I'm bummed out.
Just a moment, everyone. Calm down. That little shelled gastropod can't have gotten far. I will fly around the church until I locate him. Just a moment, please. Let me warm up my wings. Oops, I meant to do that. Okay, wait a minute, everyone. While Owen is flying around looking for Mr. Snail, I think we need to pause for a minute. I wonder if we've lost our joy because we've stopped looking for it. Like Chris said, we've deleted it to make room for things that don't give us joy. We let the problems of the day, and there are a lot of problems, but we let those problems blind us from seeing joy in the small and everyday moments of our lives. We need to take time to look for joy and to see it right in our midst.
I found him, everyone. I found the little gastropod. He's safe, and I wanted you all to know that.
Where is he, Owen? That's great news.
Well, follow me, you all. I will show you. I will take you to him.
Hey, hi everyone. Look, I found it. I found my joy. I found all of our joy. It's right here. Celebrating the birth of Jesus reminds us of God's love for us. And remembering God's love for us allows me to have joy. I found it. I found our joy.
Well, that's genius, little fellow.
Genius might be a stretch, but certainly an observation worth reflecting upon. You're right, Mr. Snail. Jesus is our joy. And like Pastor Tom said, I'm going to make sure every day I see the joy in my life, even if I have to wear a mask.
And you know what? And I'm going to go talk to Clark. We've been friends too long to let one little issue get between us. I mean, we both have dirt under our nails. We both have bugs in our ears. We sleep outdoors with animals. We can't let all these other good things, we can't lose them because we disagree on one thing. I think we're going to have to agree to disagree, and so that we can still be friends.
Yes, and I will order a joy module so I will have access to it whenever I want.
Yeah, and I'll focus on all the new growth that's happening in the forest.
Hey, we need to tell everyone that if they've lost their joy, they can find it in the manger. I know. Let's sing a song about that. Let's sing Go Tell It on the Mountain. Christ was born, and God sent us salvation, that blessed Christmas morn. Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain, that Jesus Christ is born. Like the song says, God sent us salvation that blessed Christmas morn. Now that's something to be joyful about.
Screaming for joy. That could be a rock. That could be like a rock song. Screaming for joy. I found him. I found him, everybody. I found the little